Joint stiffness and discomfort can be frustrating, affecting mobility and daily activities. Many people search for solutions, often relying on medications that come with unwanted side effects. But what if there was a natural alternative, something that works deep within the body to support flexibility and ease discomfort? Inflammation plays a major role in joint health, contributing to cartilage breakdown, stiffness, and pain. Many turn to anti-inflammatory medications, but these can cause digestive issues, ulcers, and kidney concerns. Steroids, while sometimes effective, come with long-term risks like weakened joints and suppressed immune function. So, is there a way to support joint health naturally without these downsides? The answer lies in a remarkable vitamin that helps at a cellular level, promoting better mobility and comfort. This essential nutrient is involved in energy production, inflammation control, and tissue repair. It works within the mitochondria, the powerhouses of the cells, to regulate key biological processes that influence joint function. More importantly, it's a precursor to a molecule known as NAD, which helps convert food into usable energy. NAD is essential for over 400 biochemical reactions, influencing everything from metabolism to cellular repair. Signs of deficiency. A deficiency in this vitamin can lead to several problems, many of which are directly linked to joint discomfort and overall well-being. Here's what can happen when the body doesn't get enough of it. Collagen breakdown. This leads to weaker connective tissues, making joints more vulnerable to wear and tear. Increased inflammation. Without enough of this vitamin, the body's natural ability to control inflammation weakens, leading to persistent joint issues. Fatigue and low energy. Since this nutrient plays a key role in energy production, low levels can result in constant tiredness. Muscle weakness and pain. The body struggles to maintain muscle strength, which can worsen joint problems. Metabolic issues. This can increase the risk of conditions like insulin resistance and other health concerns. Accelerated aging. The body's ability to repair DNA declines, leading to premature aging and reduced recovery from injuries. Weakened immune function. A lack of this vitamin can also impact the immune system, making it harder for the body to fight off infections and heal properly. Clearly, this nutrient is more than just beneficial. It's essential for maintaining overall health and mobility. How this vitamin supports joint health. Interestingly, some medications work by targeting certain cellular pathways involved in inflammation. But what if there was a natural way to achieve similar benefits? This vitamin plays a key role in reducing oxidative stress and supporting joint flexibility, making it a great alternative for those looking to avoid the side effects of medications. So, what is this powerful nutrient? It's vitamin B3, specifically in the form of niacinamide. This form of B3 is particularly effective at helping to reduce inflammation, support joint mobility, and promote overall well-being. There are two primary types of vitamin B3, niacin and niacinamide. While niacin is often linked to heart health and cholesterol balance, niacinamide stands out for its ability to target inflammation, support tissue repair, and improve joint function. Unlike niacin, niacinamide does not cause flushing, making it a more comfortable option for regular use. How to use niacinamide for joint health. For the best results, it's recommended to take smaller amounts throughout the day rather than a single large dose. This allows the body to absorb and utilize it more effectively, promoting steady cellular function. The ideal approach is to take low to moderate doses multiple times a day, depending on individual needs. But there's more to it. Ensuring adequate protein intake is crucial. Protein provides the building blocks needed for tissue repair, supporting the effectiveness of niacinamide. Without sufficient protein, the body may struggle to rebuild and maintain healthy joints. Another important factor. Avoid excessive alcohol consumption. Alcohol can interfere with nutrient absorption and metabolism, reducing the benefits of niacinamide. Natural sources and additional considerations. The body has a natural ability to convert an amino acid called tryptophan into vitamin B3. However, this process is highly inefficient. It takes about 60 units of tryptophan to produce just 1 unit of B3. Certain dietary factors, such as excessive processed foods, can further limit this conversion. Additionally, some foods may block the absorption of B3, making it harder to maintain optimal levels. For example, diets high in refined grains and processed foods can deplete essential nutrients, leading to deficiencies over time. That's why a balanced, nutrient-rich diet is key to maximizing the benefits of niacinamide. The benefits go beyond joint health. While niacinamide is excellent for supporting joint function, its benefits extend to many other aspects of health. Studies suggest that it may help support brain health and cognitive function, improve skin elasticity and hydration, enhance energy levels and endurance, promote better sleep quality, support overall metabolic health. Some people find that niacinamide helps them feel more energized throughout the day, while others notice improved flexibility and reduced discomfort after consistent use. While results may vary, its natural ability to promote balance within the body makes it a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle. A natural and effective solution. For those dealing with joint discomfort, finding a safe and effective solution is important. While other nutrients like vitamin D play a role in joint health, niacinamide stands out for its ability to help maintain flexibility and comfort in a natural and non-toxic way. The best part: it's affordable, widely available, and easy to incorporate into a daily routine. Whether through diet or supplementation, ensuring the body has enough of this essential vitamin can make a significant difference in joint function and overall well-being. Taking proactive steps toward better joint health doesn't have to be complicated. A well-balanced diet, proper nutrient intake, and smart lifestyle choices can go a long way in maintaining mobility and reducing discomfort. Small, consistent changes lead to long-term benefits. If you found this information helpful, please like and share. Knowledge is power to help others benefit as well.